In this lecture, we will be discussing about host-level incident detection, creating ELK use case for monitoring credential dumping using mimikatz. So now let's see the lab 6. Lab 6 Part 2. Host-level incident detection, creating ELK use case for monitoring credential dumping using mimikatz. Scenario. The goal of any attacker is to retrieve credentials from memory after the gaining privileged access to system. The tools used by the attacker will granting itself read and query permissions against LASS. So which is required to read passwords from memory. Hence, monitoring execution of lsass.exe accessed with a granted access flag can be helpful to a SOC analyst for identifying attempts to retrieve credentials from memory by anyone. End goal. The objective of this lab is to create ELK SIEM use case for monitoring execution of lsass.exe with granted access flag when using mimikatz tool to retrieve credentials from memory. I have opened my Windows host server machine. Now let's install the mimikatz tool. So now copy the mimikatz trunk.zip file and paste under the C directory. Now right click and unzip the mimikatz_trunk.zip file by selecting the extract to mimikatz_trunk option. And you can, after extracting, you can delete the zip file. To install the mimikatz tool, navigate to the folder. Now here, open the mimikatz application. And now in the console, type privilege is to debug and press enter. And now press log user details.log. Now type curl is to log on passwords in mimikatz console and press enter. Now let's go to our security onion machine. So now launch Kibana browser. Double click on it. And click on the discover option. After clicking the discover button, type the following search query and click on the update button. The results which I have got from the search query, I have expanded the first event details, and here you will see the details of the event. The details will show the LASS was accessed with a granted access value of 0x1010. Now can close all the windows. In this exercise, you have learned how to create ELK SIEM use case for monitoring execution of LASS.exe with granted access flag when using mimikatz tool to retrieve credentials from memory.